amount was $5,000.
So welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. And today in this particular video we are outside our office, and you can get a little bit noise or in our background, but don't worry. The purpose of this video is to tell you the methods, and this is very important to tell you the real things. So the person is with me that created YouTube channel for affiliate marketing, and I have discussed in the last. He has created a new account for affiliate marketing on YouTube, and he promotes DG Store, Amazon, ClickBank, JVZoo, CJ, and there are many networks he has joined and promote affiliate products on YouTube. So he is expert in YouTube affiliate marketing. That's why I invite this person again and again. Um Here in this video, we will ask that how he gets traffic on his YouTube channel with how he promote his affiliate products with YouTube, and what is the method he used to promote YouTube videos. So I will ask. Actually, he has told me that two platforms, but we will ask him that how he promotes. So kindly tell us and our audience that how you promote your YouTube videos for affiliate marketing.
Well, Bilal, the thing is that I usually use my YouTube links on Pinterest. I pin them, and the other platform is Quora. Quora is basically I usually upload my answers to the questions for the audience who are interested in in my products.
He means me people who are already searching products. He gives answers on Quora with his YouTube link, right?
Yes.
Or he created a brand new account on Pinterest, and he created a pins for YouTube links, and in the YouTube channel he promotes affiliate links. So Pinterest is the powerful social website to promote your affiliate offers, affiliate products, but make sure you will not put your direct affiliate links on any social website like Quora, Pinterest, or any platform, or so you will get banned. So this is very important. You will use bridge page, landing page in between. Uh, I want to ask one more question that how many clicks you get per day.
The average is around 500 to 600 clicks.
500 to 600 clicks with interested audience is more important than 5000 to 6000 clicks per day, because they are not interested in your product or any affiliate offer. But if you promote your targeted audience 500 clicks, so it will be 10 to 20%, means 500 clicks if you get from Pinterest. So 50 to 60 people are really interested in your product, and I'm sure that 10% or 10 people definitely buy from your link, right?
Yes, it is. So yes, I get a good promotion, and I get usually my marketing is it's perfect.
You should calculate this amount with per day, like as I said that 10 people, if 10 people clicks through his Pinterest or Quora links, he will simply earn 100 to $150 per day.
Dollars, and it was my biggest achievement because my YouTube channel on gaming chairs was new in the market. So I was quite afraid that people won't see my channel because the market is quite high. So why would people like to choose my products? But yes, when I got the response, it was highly effective for me, and I got motivated from it. And then I promoted my YouTube channel and my products on every each and every platform of social media like Quora, Pinterest. Uh, Even I have many websites that I even don't remember now.
Guys, he promotes his YouTube channel on every social platform. He gets traffic from every social platform, and his highest earning was $5,000. Guys, this is, I'm not talking about YouTube monetization. No, no, no. I'm talking about affiliate marketing. He used YouTube for affiliate marketing. He used YouTube as a bridge page. He used and gets traffic for YouTube as a targeted audience. So hope you will understand the theory and you will understand what he has done. And one more thing, he has revealed his niche as well. No one reveal their niches, but he has revealed his niche, that he is right now working on gaming chairs. So hope this video will become a very helpful for you. If you have any kind of question, you can ask me in comments. I will definitely answer you in the comment box. Take care and goodbye.